What's up, Michael? It's Guys here. So I've been getting a ton of requests from people asking me, Michael, could I just come down and shadow you for a little bit and learn everything that you know about mobile homes? That would really help me out. I'm more of a hands-on kind of person. Well, after enough of those requests, I have finally decided to host a live 4-day workshop this summer. That's right, it's gonna be a 4-day event where you're actually gonna come down here to Alabama and we're going to flip a mobile home together. We're going to go over everything: due diligence, making repairs, painting, selling, the paperwork, all of it, the whole 9 yards. You'll be able to come down here and flip an actual mobile home with me. And at the end of that event, ain't nobody gonna be able to tell you nothing. Now I know what you're probably thinking, right? What's the catch? Quick warning, due to the potentially dangerous nature of any flip site, I can only host 15 people, and slots are filling up fast. Make sure you guys save the dates. The time for the workshop is gonna be July 30th to August 3rd. Now, for those of you who can't make it, virtual attendance will be made available for you, where you can still interact with us in real time. And who knows, if we get our work done in time, maybe we can go to the beach. Florida is literally 15 minutes away from my house. So click the link below, fill out the survey, hop on the phone with me, join myself and 14 other serious men and women at the very first Flip Convention. I hope you make the cut. I can't wait to meet you. Peace.